And now I'm gonna create a new layer from the edit menu. Click layers in here. So for if you don't find your layers in here, so if you, for example, sometimes you go to properties viewport, right? So you don't find your layer, your layers is gonna be here, and once you click on layers, you'll see your layers in here. From the edit menu, click layers and then click edit layers. So in the layers window, click new in from here and you'll see new layer, right? Click one, and for example layer 09 appears in the list. Type line and press enter, or for example I'm gonna type lines. I'm gonna make this layer for lines and hit enter. And again, if you want to create another layer, so you can also go in here on new layer, so select again and create another layer and name it with a different layers as well. So and for example I'm gonna just create this for curve, and I'm gonna type curve curves. This layer would be for curves, right? Perfect. So how to assign a color to a layer? So to assign a color, for example, I'm going to start with lines. Click the color patch in here on the line row in the list, in the select color, so you can just click on that. In the select layer, select color dialog box, you can click on one color. I'm gonna select the green, so for example in here, and choose my color, and here you can also work with the colors, and you can switch to the different colors if you want to make it a specific colors, so you can simply change your colors from here and from here as well. But now I'm gonna just change it to the green with this with these numbers, and click OK. So in the layers window, the new color in here appears in the color bar on the line row of the layer list. So to repeat that again, you can just simply click on that, and this time I'm gonna change it to the gold, and for example I'm gonna change like the curves layer to the gold, and then hit OK, and you'll see the gold color in box in color box in here as well. The next is how to make a layer current. So if you see in go down and see here in the status bar, and you'll see default, right? Default is your current layer, and as you see here in your layers, you see the checked, right? So it means your current layer is on your on default, right? So if you want to change the layer in the status bar, even you can change that from a status bar or even here. So for example, I'm going to change it from this on the status bar. Click on that, and simply you can select one of these layer that you want to work with. So for example, I'm going to check this layer to lines, right? And it means once you have checked here, so it means this is your current this is your current layer, right, that you're going to work with. And from here you can start drawing into this layer. For example, if I want to start drawing, so you'll see the color is green. It means all of the lines or curves that I drew, it went to the lines layer. And there's something else. You can also lock your layer, and if you want to lock the layer, for example, I'm gonna lock the curve layers, right? So I'm gonna click on this and you can lock the layer, or even if you want to unlock, again select that and you can unlock the layer as well. If you lock the layer, so for example, I'm gonna lock the lines, right, layer. So if I want to select this layer, I won't be able to just select this layer, right? Because I have already locked this layer. If I, like for example, unlock this layer, so you can see you can select your layer or drawings or objects from here. There's something else like that you can turn off or on your layer. So as you see here, there's an icon like a light bulb in the row. Even here you can see. If you click on that, you'll see I turn off this layer, right? So sometimes you don't need to see all the layers, so you need to turn off some of the layers that you have. From here you can turn off those layers. For example, I'm gonna just go back and turn on the layer, so simply just click on that and you see the lines layer is on. And so in here you can also mix up layers as well. Like for example, in lines you would have more layers, right? So you want to make a sub layer, so click on that and select lines layer and go up and make new sub layers. And again you can just select this and name it, like for example line 01 or line whatever like you want to name it. So and then hit enter, and you can also close these lines layers as well, but here you can make a sub layer. So but please make sure that you select the layer, and then after that select new sub layers and from here to make the new layer.